Hello, welcome back to our Talks Tourism. Today we are going to speak about the Sandbank. Make sure you subscribe our channel. Yes, for more context like this. In the turquoise waters of Zanzibar, paradise appears and disappears with the tide. These are the magical sandbanks, pure white sand surrounded by crystal clear ocean. And the most loved of all is Nakupenda, which in Swahili means I love you. Here, life slows down and every moment becomes special. Visitors walk barefoot on soft sands, swim in the warm sea, and take in endless views of blue and white. But the magical doesn't end there. On the sandbanks, you can enjoy a live seafood barbecue, fresh from the ocean to your plate, grilled lobster, fish, octopus, prawns, all served with the sweet taste of tropical fruits like mango, pineapple, and watermelon. It is not just a meal, it's a true Zanzibar experience, dining in the middle of the ocean, with the waves as your music and the sky as your roof. The sandbanks of Zanzibar are more than just sand and sea. They are joy, relaxation, and adventure all in one place. A moment where you feel free, connected, and alive. This is not just a visit, it is a memory that stays forever. Come discover Nakupenda and the sandbanks of Zanzibar. This is your paradise waiting.